Meneer
Yeah,
Rahmel, yes, yeah. We will do this in English, but can't you speak Dutch because your biosphere is so close to Holland?
yeah. I have to apologize that my Dutch is rather limited, but excuse me. But I think can give you some information on our biosphere reserve in German now.
Yes.
The place is in Lower Saxony, and it's actually the the area which you might see on the next slide. One slide more, please. So that's the area of the biosphere reserve. It's now given in red and green. This is the biosphere reserve, which was designated in 1993. At the moment, we have one problem. We do not have a transition zone which is large enough to meet the criteria of the MAB program. So we are talking to all the people and all the municipalities on the coastline, which are drawn in yellow here, which we call the so-called search area for the transition zone. And at the moment, there have 3 to 4 municipalities have agreed to join the transition zone, which will make an area of about 27,000 hectare. And we are still in negotiations with lots of other municipalities. I was asked to talk about the way how we deal with the multi-designation of the area. If you go just one slide back, please. Then it's quite the same situation as it is in the Netherlands. We have the Wadden Sea, which is designated as a World Heritage Site. And a bit different, we have a national park, which covers all the Wadden Sea area. And the way we communicate let's say the multi advantages we have from this multi-designation is the following way. We have chosen the UNESCO World Heritage as the roof, as also the most acknowledged designation in the world. And this roof is carried by 2 pillars, 2 columns. One is the national park, and the other is the biosphere reserve. The national park gives the management and conservation of the area, which is important for the biosphere reserve as well. And the biosphere reserve adds the sustainable development. And so I think we have a round and nice picture. So the question about tourism in the area was also addressed to me, and I would like to show you the last slide, please. Yeah, you see the area again, and there are some numbers concerning tourism business. So for the total area is a very old tourism area. We have at the moment, we have overnight stays. In the official statistics, we have 14 million per year. But if you look at the statistics of the DMOs, of the destination management organizations, then we have about 26 million per year. These are the overnight stays, and there's 3 to 4.5 million guests per year in the area. To give a comparison between the islands and the mainland destinations, I have given some numbers for either Norderney, which is a very important and famous island in Germany, in Lower Saxony. And here we have 3.9 million overnight stays per annum and per year. And in Norden, which is the town lying close to Norderney, so it's the harbor town. There they have, I had a number which is not really correct. It's 1.9 million overnight stays per year. And so this is the situation in Germany. We are also, I think, like Harvard, working on a new application now for the MAB program with a new transition zone, and we do our very best.
Okay. Thank you very much. Jürgen, was dit Jürgen Rahmel. Hij is dus van het Niedersachsische Wattenmeer. En daar hebben ze dus 3 zaken daar waar ze heel trots op zijn. Een Nationaal Park, een biosfeergebied en natuurlijk het Unesco Werelderfgoed. Fijn dat hij ook even met ons wilde spreken vanuit Duitsland. Nou, dat ziet er goed uit, heren. Daar is volgens mij, als ik die cijfers zie, alles over de 1 of 2 miljoen bezoekers. Dat lijkt me nog wel een mooie droom voor Holvert en de streek.
Ja, ik denk dat het een mooie ambitie is. Het is ook mooi om te zien hoe die samenhang is. En wij hebben dan niet direct een nationaal park, maar in het Lauwersmeergebied is natuurlijk wel een nationaal park. En ik heb ook gelezen in de voorbereiding dat sinds het predicaat Unesco Biosfeer hebben, dat het hele gebied 30 tot 40% is gegroeid in het aantal mensen wat naar het gebied toekomt.
En daar hopen jullie ook op? Of dat verwachten jullie?
Ik denk dat wij wel forser groei pakken, omdat de groei nu vrij matig is. Dus ik denk dat het potentieel in ons gebied vele malen hoger ligt.
Oké.